ordered list. Ordered list. Now, the ordered list element has a tag name of OL to represent ordered list. Now, each list item will also have an element within the OL, that is within the ordered element, which is what? LI, to represent each list item. For example, pear, orange, banana. Now, let me explain this code. If you come to the OL, which represent the ordered list, that means you are going to number this particular thing into 1, 2, 3, 4. For instance, we've been told to write our top 5 favorite fruits or best fruit we like. In this case, we would like to what? Number it from the best to the least what? Favorites. So you first indicate to HTML to the page that this is an what? This is an ordered list, and at each list item you indicate what? The content between the list, the content between, using LI to represent it. Let me save and then refresh my page. Now when we refresh our page, this is what we are going to see. We are going to see the list I have created in order 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is an ordered list which uses numbers in listing the items in a particular order, most of the time in the from the highest importance to the least, just like you do when you are given an algorithm to follow in order to do a particular item. That is for ordered list.